Here's now more breaking updates with respect to the Piyush Jain case. We are getting the first visuals of the businessman Piyush Jain after his arrest. In fact, he was taken for medical examination by authorities as well after his arrest that had taken place. Later in the day, he will be produced before the Kanpur court, where the IT department will seek his remand to interrogate him, to question him further with respect to the amount of cash and seizure that was in fact made by the officials from Piyush Jain. And now an official statement that had also been released by the authorities that his arrest had in fact taken under section 67 of the CGST Act as well, and as rupees 187 crore were also seized with unaccounted raw and finished materials that was also recovered from Piyush Jain by the authorities as well. And now the latest visuals, exclusive visuals that we're getting you first here on Republic TV, getting about Piyush Jain in fact being taken into custody and will also be taken for a medical examination later and produced before the Kanpur court, where the IT department will be seeking his remand. He will be questioned about the 187 crore cash and unaccounted seizure, in fact, that had been made from him by the authorities, where after he will be produced in the Kanpur court today. And remember, yesterday we had seen how the arrest, in fact, had been made of Piyush Jain. The perfume businessman of Uttar Pradesh, in fact, was also made to have some political links. And he had been arrested by the authorities days after crores of rupees in cash, in fact, had been seized from his property, from his residence, and also his factories in Kanpur as well. And this is why today we see these latest visuals of Piyush Jain in custody of the authorities. For more details on this, my colleague Gaurav joins me from Kanpur. Gaurav, tell us more about this arrest that has now been made, a statement that has been released, and a remand that will be sought by the authorities of Piyush Jain so that he can be interrogated further.
देखिए, निश्चित तौर पे आपको बता दें, जिस तरह से एक बहुत बड़ी रेड थी जो कि पीयूष जैन के आवास पर पड़ी थी, उसके बाद से इसके कनेक्शन निकलकर कन्नौज के सामने आए, जहां पर 4 कन्नौज के अलग अलग स्थानों पर रेड की गई, जहां से अब तक जो रेड है वो बराबर चल रही है। कोई पुष्टि नहीं वहां पर कितना टोटल अब तक का कैश मिला है, लेकिन आपको बता दें जिस तरह से 187 करोड़ की बात आ रही है, इतनी भारी मात्रा में कैश मिलना अपने आप में बड़ी बात है। और उसके बाद से ही पुलिस ने कल देर रात इनकी अरेस्टिंग दिखाई है। विजुअल से आप देख सकते हैं, पीयूष का मेडिकल कराने जो पुलिस की टीम है उनको हेलमेट लेकर के गई थी। इसके बाद ही आज सुबह इनको 10 से 10:30 के बीच में सीएमएम कोर्ट में पेश किया जाएगा और वहीं से इनको रिमांड पे लेगी। इनके कई राज्यों में अलग अलग ऑफिसेज हैं, कई ठिकाने हैं जहां पर इनको यहां से जो डीजीजीआई की टीम है वो लेके जा सकती है, जीएसटी की टीम को लेके जा सकती है। उसके बाद जो आगे की कार्रवाई है वो की जाएगी।
Ji, Gaurav, they're telling us all the details of the latest with respect to Piyush Jain, who is now in custody, and the visuals, the exclusive visuals, viewers on our screens with Piyush Jain in the custody, who will later now be produced in the Kanpur court, and remand will be sought as well. For the moment, Gaurav, thank you.